So this is solar tracker demonstrator kit. In this you will be having solar charge controller, battery, and this is the solar tracker in which you will be having 4 LDR sensors. Now you need to connect the adapter which we have given with the solar panel. So connect this adapter to the power supply, and this cable which is coming from the solar panel connect it to the solar which is mentioned on the solar tracker demonstrator kit, and here you will be getting the DC load around 12 volts, and this is the battery voltage, and connect the battery positive or negative to the battery which is supplied to you. So now if you focus the light on the LDRs, the solar panel will be tracking to the light. So focus, make the room dark for better tracking visibility. So if you focus on the LDR in the upside or the downside or right side or the left side, it rotates accordingly. So this is about the solar tracker demonstrator kit.